Hello, it's been a while. Today I'm planning to play some challenge levels, and hopefully I'm gonna keep doing it. We will see. The plan is to upload one video a week approximately, so not a lot, but that's what I feel like I have the time for right now. If you want to see more Polar Bridge content, I recommend you look at the channel
Will Civil Engineer
and
Arglin Kampling, Dragon Sergal.
Links for that in the description. I will play the challenge levels for the first 2 or 3 worlds, and then I will probably switch back to the normal ones and play them and maybe the challenge levels, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But for the people that don't know, I'm a level designer for this game. And yeah, so I have already played all the levels and stuff before they get released. Let's do some compression on these. No, stretch them. So if these are stretched, they will pull together and the bridge will go up like this. Perfect! And that's still a bit too loud for me. Not even close on my leaderboard, but I'm not a leaderboard board. I can't speak today. It's been a while since I like talked a lot in one of these things, so yeah, I'm not used to it. But hopefully everything will go well. I actually just recorded like 15 minutes of pretty much this, but the sound was bad, so I needed to do a lot of fixing of that before I could try again. I don't like technical issues, but I'm going to get a new computer this winter, something, this year. With one of the new graphics cards. So that should be extremely fast. And I'm most likely going to create a second channel for some things that are not video game related, but are more connected to my other hobbies and more aligned with my almost finished university degree. So for the people that don't know, that's probably most of you guys, because I don't know if I've said that before, but I'm studying product development and design, a Bachelor of Science and Engineering degree, and I just have a few exams left to do, and I'm done. So right now I'm studying for the exams and working on the weekends at a boring job. And in the evenings, when I have the energy, I do some Polar Bridge work. Design levels and test things and all that. Less now than what I used to do, because most of the levels and stuff, or most of the worlds, are done. So we're super much over budget. I just want to see if it Works? Okay, good. We can decrease the amount of material by, or amount of money we spend by a lot by changing stuff to wood. And I should use the auto triangulate tool, I think it's called. It's I like how it's implemented. Let me show you. So the tool doesn't connect over any beams. It has a lot of things in reach, but it doesn't. It only connects to things that it can connect to without crossing any other beams. So you can see here it connects to this one on the left, but not this one, even though it could reach it. And you can see it here as well. That's a little feature that makes the tool a lot better. That was easy. Okay, so just down and up. Okay. And the thing here is there's no red dots there, but that's not really a big problem. The challenge levels for early levels especially have they're not designed to have a specific difficulty curve. Let's copy this, flip it over, and do that maybe? Let's see if it works. It did! Awesome! Let's go to the next one. Okay. Is this just to force you to use a hydraulic? And turn off the auto triangulate tool. Some misclicks. And there maybe. We will lift the bridge and hinge it around this point. Most of the time I'm playing right now, I do in sandbox and testing weird concepts. That works. This is a great level to test out weird or interesting piston solutions. The normal version of this one, or with the sheets turned on, so you can use unlimited materials and unlimited budget. Because the hydraulic phase is first, so you don't need to wait on any car or anything like that. It's really good. Okay, limited road, but how limited is it? So it seems like it's not that limited. This might work. And then just triangles on top, maybe? We'll see if it works. I see that I'm over budget, but one thing at a time. Reduce the problem into smaller components and solve for them separately. Remove that one, and still not in budget. Maybe if we do this. Can I remove that? So I'm hitting a lot of wrong buttons because my microphone is in front of my face, which is in front of my keyboard, so I can't see it. And I'm using a Dvorak, or technically Swarak, keyboard layout, so the buttons are not in the normal places, which can create some problems sometimes. Usually I have no trouble with it, but sometimes I do, especially in games. I can turn my keyboard into a... like, I can change the keyboard layout by pressing a button, because it's a high-tech... a high-tech... Can we do... This is probably... yeah, this is over budget. Maybe some... but that would break because of that wouldn't get too much strain. Okay, that works. I can change my keyboard layout by pressing a button, because it's a smart keyboard that has a lot of macro functions. And this is a low budget thing level, and I don't really like low budget stuff, because it's not my thing. So I might actually have a bit of trouble on this one, but we will see. Okay. Good, no break there. Break here. Okay, same break on that side as this side, so copy, flip, and place. If this works, it's a lot easier than I thought it would be. Yeah, that works as well, I guess. First jump. Yeah, this is definitely not my first jump, but we'll say that it is. Woohoo! And we have springs, so... and a lot of budget. What should the challenge be here? I think here. No steel, okay. So the challenges, the difficulty is not the same across the levels. But I think it's because they want challenge levels that most people can solve, and other challenge levels that are a lot harder. Oh. You actually broke. Let's see if we can fix that with just more springs. I'm guessing it won't fix it. And we might actually need to do some nice landing stuff, but no. Springs. Springs are great. Okay, we need a bit more road. Maybe that? Springs? Springs are great. Okay. I'm just gonna build and see what happens. Okay. Car stops there, okay. So we have 2 pistons. It's symmetrical pretty much. So that we need to stabilize it. So do something like this. Copy that one over here. Now it's... the bridge is stable, not these parts, but I didn't want to stabilize these ones. Can even copy this one here. And there. And maybe do this. That could work. I didn't say it was guaranteed to work. Perfect! Next level. Okay. Here we have 13 rocks. 13 road. I remember what a like good way to solve this one is. Do this. Is it the same angle on the other side? Not quite, but... Didn't you do full length? You bastard! I wanted you to do full length. Okay, let's do it this way instead, and then... this way. Now we just need some triangles. Let's start with something like this. Probably need some more support here. Let's see how well this works. Perfectly. That's a big boat. Okay. Let's do a bridge like this. We're over budget, let's see. Let's see if it works. So first, solve a level, then fix the budget. Is my basic strategy most of the time. So that worked perfectly. Now we need to lower the budget. We can most likely do a bit of this. We might want to change our piston position. And we can probably change these out to wood that is connected here. And because I didn't turn off the auto triangulate tool, I got a lot more wood than I wanted. But that happens sometimes. Okay, these should be connected. And these should be connected as well. Yeah, good. So, not under budget yet. And that was working. So, we move it closer to the middle. That also lowers the budget, so that's good. But the other thing is, it reduces... It increases the amount the bridge will turn. So can't handle the weight. Maybe we can... Ooh, does this work? That's a fancy solution. Okay, yeah, that might work. It holds up the bridge in this place. We just need to connect this part here. So one thing we can do is do something like this. Yeah. Oh, it breaks from the extra weight. Okay. That's good to know. We're on a budget, it breaks somewhere here. I'm thinking. Let's see. That's 3.26 meters. That's 3.16. Let's see how well that pulls it back. Good. So that saves us a bit of money. And I'm clicking on the wrong button all the freaking time. So now we have a bit more money. Can't remove that one. Yeah, I thought we couldn't remove that one either. But sometimes if the stress, or if the forces act right on a beam, you can remove stuff without them tipping over. Why is there a huge difference on these sides? Aren't they symmetrical? Yes. Something is wrong here. 2, 1. Yeah, that should be a 2. No, it shouldn't. Locked, 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 lock. Now it should be the same. And it breaks here. Okay. So that should be stronger. And if it broke on one side, it should break on the other side as well. Is my thinking. It's not guaranteed, but it's likely. Good! Okay. Not sure what the challenge is, but we can probably solve it. Can see here, what is it? Oh, the platform is on the left side too, okay. So you need to do something like this or similar. Okay. Oh, this is a speed test. So something like this. It was a long time ago I played these levels before, so that's why I don't remember that much about them. And my memory is frankly terrible. That was not great. Okay, let's see here. Like that, and going underneath seems like a good idea. Clicking on the other screen doesn't help. We might want to do... Okay, it's 24, 12... Something like this to support the middle. Okay, that broke. Okay, one thing broke, and just see if it works if we remove them. It did not, because this one broke. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. Let's see if that works. No. Okay. Then reinforce that one. And add this one back. We have lots and lots of budget to play with, so... no worries there. And that's the first world. I will end here. See you next time.